All right, what we got going on?
Alright, so we're going to be replacing these lights right here on the side. This will be done on anything from 09 to 21, the classic models. But go ahead and show you how to take these off. And the clip that I'm on right there, all you're going to do is push that back. Literally just push it back. Push it that way.
I see it. All right, go ahead. Push it.
And then it'll just drop down and shut. And then you're going to need another screwdriver flathead to pry out and push the light out. Just like that, it's out.
All right.
And then same thing for the other side.
All right, so why are you thinking about?
No, I'm just because I didn't put it in there.
All right, so where's the, can you see the clip from when you have it out? Right there?
This is the clip right here.
All right, there you go. And you can see it from underneath the mirror. All right?
Yeah, all you gotta do is just right there.
All right. There you go. So if y'all want to get these sequentials or whatever y'all want to install it there, if you have a mirror that's like this, obviously this is not the tone mirror, but you know, this regular stock little square looking thing. Go ahead and try it out, grab it. All you need is a flathead screwdriver, you know? All right, what you trying to do? What's going on?
Fixing the exhaust tip.
It might be a little crooked, you know what I'm saying? Well, not this one, but ram right here. Oh, let's go and do the intro. What's going on, guys? Dogs, welcome back.
Boom! Hell no, fuck that.
Nah, we just gonna keep going with it. All right, so what's wrong with the exhaust? Why are you trying to fix it?
All right, if we get back up here, so you can just see the gappage isn't right.
Yeah, I think so. I think they can see it a little bit.
Well, here, we'll just do the finger test real quick. Get a finger real quick. Can't fit no fingers up under that shit. We come over here to the left. Just like that.
All right, yeah. So how you gonna deal with that?
Just gonna get up under here. I think it's a 12 mil.
He's gonna use my my nice cobalt right there.
It is not a 12 mil. Is it a 14? 14 it is. Here you go. Go ahead, hold on to that. I ain't got no case action.
All right.
Can I toss it up there, matter of fact?
What?
Toss that phone up here.
How?
No, on the top. Now I'm going to remove from my other tickets. Looks pretty good.
That was it?
Looks like it's it. Oh, that's it.